Alright folks, thought I'd give a little update today. I am behind in videos by almost 2 weeks on some things and a week by another, sort of, kind of, but anyway. Several things have been going on. I was just going to give you a quick update on what videos are to come and what's been going on. So the Massey, as I mentioned in the side-by-side video, the 5610 was sold. It has been picked up and hauled to its new home. I am currently working on a video about that story, how it came about, who got it, and where it went. It was a subscriber of my channel, and when they came and got it, he was also accompanied by another subscriber of my channel. So the details on that are to come, like I said, in another video that I am working on. I also have bought a square baler. I got one, or purchased one. I hadn't got it yet, but I purchased one over a week ago. See, today is Tuesday. It was purchased on Martin Luther King Day, so it's a little over a week ago, and I'm planning to pick that baler up this Saturday. So that said, there's video to come of that and the story of how it came about, thanks to a very nice subscriber of mine that gave me a phone call. It ultimately led to this baler, even though he wasn't even aware of this baler. But I will give the story of how that unfolded as well in another video. I've also bought a couple of heifers they're basically at weaning stage. They're probably around the 7-month-old age, or more, a little more maybe, one of them. But basically bought those also, or went and looked at those on Martin Luther King Day, before I went and looked at the baler that I bought. And I've got one up to the farm this past weekend. The other one didn't want to come up, or we couldn't seem to keep it up anyway, at the farm that I purchased these from. So that was going on. The sprayer project has not evolved anymore, other than I have got the replacement strainer in. So I hadn't really, with the other things going on, I hadn't had any time to mess with it anymore. So I'll get an update on that when I get the chance to work on it again. But anyway, so let's see, will there be anything else out? Now the Massey's gone. I've got a baler coming. You know, I had mentioned earlier in a video or two, I don't remember, that I was looking at a disc mower as well, and I am just now back to the point of thinking about that, trying to decide what I'm going to do there. I thought I had pretty well made up my mind, but I've decided to take a step back and look at some other things before I make a decision on that. So anywho, But yeah, I will do a entirely separate video on the disc mower. I've got some things I want to run by some of you, and some questions. See what the thoughts some of y'all have that have years of experience with disc mowers. But anyway, that's pretty much the update for right now. I've just gotten behind a little bit, but hopefully in the next few days I'll start to get some videos up about the Massey and the 5610 and the Baler I got, and some other things. So anyway, thanks for watching.